This sign shows one type of. What does this sign means? A. Right turn. B. Intersection. C. Lane change. D. Road curve. What does this sign mean? Is it A. Right turn, or is B. Intersection? Is it C. Lane change, or is D. Road curve? What this sign means? Let's write. The correct answer is B. Intersection. This sign shows one type of intersection sign. You are welcome to this channel, which is Road Rules Academy. This is a channel which gives you better understanding about road rules, especially road signs and questions and answers, which lead you to pass driving theory test. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, then leave comment about this video. You are with GMV. Let us continue. About question number 2. What should you be most concerned about when you see this sign? What should you be most concerned about when you see this sign? A. Losing control of your vehicle if you drift onto the shoulder because of drop-off. B. Damaging a tire if you drift onto the shoulder. C. Hydroplaning if the shoulder has water on it. D. Driving with your headlight out of alignment because one side of your car is higher than the other. What is the best answer? Is it A. Losing control of your vehicle if you drift off onto the shoulder because of a drop-off? Or is B. Damaging a tire if you drift onto the shoulder? Is it C. Hydroplaning if the shoulder has water on it? Or is D. Driving with your headlight out of alignment because of one side of your car is higher than the other? What is the correct answer? Let's write. The correct answer is A. Losing control of your vehicle if you drift onto the shoulder because of drop-off. Once you see this sign, you should losing control of your vehicles if you drift onto the shoulder because of drop-off. About the question number 3. Question number 3 states that what is the meaning of this sign, or what is this sign called? A. The traffic signal ahead is red. B. The traffic signal ahead is broken. C. The traffic signal ahead is green. D. There is a traffic signal ahead. What is the meaning of this sign? Is it A. The traffic signal ahead is red? Or is it B. The traffic signal ahead is broken? Is it C. The traffic signal ahead is green? Or is D. There is a traffic signal ahead? What is the best answer? Let's write. The correct answer is D. There is a traffic signal ahead. The correct answer is D. There is traffic signal ahead. About question number 4. This sign means. What is the meaning of this sign? A. Divided highway ends. B. One-way street begins. C. One-way street ends. D. Divided highway begins. What is the correct answer? Is it A. Divided highway ends? Or is B. One-way street begins? Is it C. One-way street ends? Or is D. Divided highway begins? What is the correct answer? Let's write. The correct answer is D. Divided highway begins. Once you see this sign, you should know that there is divided highway begins. About question number 5. The question number 5 states that from the top to bottom, the following is the proper order of traffic lights. What is the proper order for traffic lights? A. Red, yellow, green. B. Red, green, yellow. C. Green, red, yellow. D. Green, yellow, red. What is the correct answer? Is it A. Red, yellow, green? Or is B. Red, green, yellow? Is it C. Green, red, yellow? Or is D. Green, yellow, red? What is the best or correct answer? Let's write. The correct answer is A. Red, yellow, and green. The proper order for traffic light is red, yellow, and green. About question number 6. Question number 6 states that if a green arrow turns into a green light, what should you do if a green arrow turns into a green light? May still turn, but you must yield oncoming traffic. B. May no longer turn and must proceed straight. C. Still have right of way to turn. D. No longer have to turn way the arrow indicates. What is the best answer? Is it A. May still turn, but you must yield to oncoming traffic, or is B. May no longer turn and must proceed straight? Is it C. Still have right of way to turn, or is D. No longer have to turn the way the arrow indicates? What is the best answer? Let's write. The correct answer is A. May still turn but not yield to oncoming traffic. The correct answer is A. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. About question number 7. Question number 7 states that STD yellow light at an intersection means. What is the meaning of STD yellow light at an intersection? A. Go. B. Yield to other cars. C. Slow down and prepare to stop. D. Stop. What is the correct answer? Is it A. Go, or is B. Yield to other cars? Is it C. Slow down and prepare to stop, or is D. Stop? What is the correct answer? Let's write. The correct answer is C. Slow down and prepare to stop. STD yellow light at an intersection means you should slow down and prepare to stop. About question number 8. Question number 8 states that a flashing yellow light means that you should. What should you do once you see a flashing yellow light? A. Slow down and proceed with care. B. Continue through the way is clear. C. Stop and proceed when a green light appears. D. Stop and proceed when the way is clear. What is the best answer? Is it A. Slow down and proceed with care, or is B. Continue through the way is clear? Is it C. Stop and proceed when a green light appears, or is D. Stop and proceed when the way is clear? What is the best answer? Let's write. The correct answer is A. Slow down and proceed with care. A flashing yellow light means that you should slow down and proceed with care. About question number 9. You should stop when you see A. What will you see which will lead you to stop? A. A flashing red light. B. Steady yellow light. C. Yellow arrow. D. Flashing yellow light. What is the best answer? Is it A. Flashing red light, or is B. Steady yellow light? Is it C. Yellow arrow, or is D. Flashing yellow light? What is the correct answer? Let's write. The correct answer is A. Flashing red light. Once you see a flashing red light, you should stop. About question number 10. Question number 10 states that a steady green light at an intersection means you should. What should you do once you see a steady green light at an intersection? A. Must slow down and prepare to stop. B. Must stop and check for oncoming traffic before proceeding. C. May drive through the intersection if road is clear. D. May not turn right. What is the correct answer? Is it A. Must slow down and prepare to stop, or is B. Must stop and check for oncoming traffic before proceeding? Is it A. May drive through the intersection if road is clear, or is D. May not turn right? What is the correct answer? Let's write. The correct answer is C. May drive through the intersection if the road is clear. Once you see a steady green light at an intersection, you may drive through the intersection if the road is clear. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and then leave comment.